Hey friends, now we're starting on round 3 of the big crochet mushrooms from our Hillfolk Crochet Mushrooms kit. And I just started off with a chain 1 and am marking my chain 1 with a pin. This row calls for us to do a single crochet 1 followed by 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then we repeat that for the whole round for a total of 24 stitches. So hang out with me while I continue my single crochet 1 and then my 2 single crochets till the end of the round. If you've noticed, Hillfolk is an actual craft store. We're located in Bentonville, Arkansas.
Hello.
So while you're hanging out with me working on these stitches, you'll hear some sounds from a normal day at the shop, including customers walking in and out and some commentary from our shop dog, Murray.
He's been extra talkative today.
See a doodle?
Yeah.
He smells our doodle. Does he sleep with you in the bed?
Of course.
Yeah. The sling right as ours does, but he's only 35, almost 40 pounds.
Yeah.
And he literally sleeps on him the whole night. So I just said this morning, he goes, look at how I'm sleeping and look at how he's sleeping.
Oh yeah, of course. They wouldn't have it any other way. It's so funny. Yesterday he was super quiet, but today he's just like,
Yesterday was so gloomy.
yeah, that's probably
He
why.
was like, I'm in my where
Yes, yes. He's like my moody.
Don't talk to me.
Yep.
And here I am getting ready to finish up my round 3, and I'm doing my slip stitch and removing my pin to get ready for round 4. Starting with my chain 1, my round 4 is going to have me do 1 single crochet in every stitch for a total of 24 stitches. And the next 3 rounds, rounds 4, 5, and 6, are going to be pretty straightforward. We're just going to be repeating that. 1 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 24 stitches per row. And you're going to start seeing the base of the mushroom take shape and start forming what looks like a little bowl. And here I'm getting to the end of round 4, and just like my previous rows, I am removing my pin and slip stitching to the chain 1 at the beginning of the round to finish off this round.
Thanks, you too.
Now I'm starting off my row 5, doing my chain 1, and then getting ready to do 24 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. And I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this because it's pretty much the same as my previous rows. Now I'm at the end of row 5 and I am slip stitching to the chain 1 to finish off this round, and then getting ready to start row 6, which is the same as our previous 2 rows, 24 single crochets in each stitch. And here you can see the bowl shape of the base of the mushroom is starting to take shape. So I am working my 24 single crochet, and if you've stuck with it this far, great job. In our next video, I'm going to cover rows 7 through 10 of the stem of the large mushroom, and we're going to be working our first decrease stitches, and I will walk you through what that looks like in detail. These projects are a little bit more challenging because since you're creating a 3D shape, there are a couple different techniques involved, but what I do like about these sorts of projects is that they're small and it's relatively easy to get them done in a shorter period of time once you get the hang of these basic skills. Now I'm finishing up my row 6 and slip stitching to the chain 1 at the beginning of the round. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to cover rows 7 through 10 and how to do decreases single crochet. Y'all are doing a great job. We're going to cover some more difficult techniques in the next video, so join us over there for rows 7 through 10.